City morning. Sunrise on the skyline, coffee in my hand, running through the subway, chasing all my plans. Footsteps on the pavement, heartbeat keeps the time, living in the moment where the city lights still shine. Every window tells a story, every street's alive, moving with the rhythm, feeling I can thrive. City morning, rushes on my side, New York energy, I feel it come alive. Working through the hours, skyline in my view, living every moment, chasing something new. Elevators rising, voices fill the air, typing out my future, knowing I'll get there. Every little detail, every song I play, keeps me moving forward through the city day. Every window tells a story, every street's alive, moving with the rhythm, feeling I can thrive. City morning, rushes on my side, New York energy, I feel it come alive. Working through the hours, skyline in my view, living every moment, chasing something new. Oh, the city never sleeps, but it dreams with me. In the office glow, I find my melody. City morning, rushes on my side, New York energy, I feel it come alive. Working through the hours, skyline in my view, living every moment, chasing something new. Skyline in the distance, taxi horns collide, coffee on the corner, people rushing by, crosswalks full of stories, every face aligned. I'm a part of something bigger, city heartbeats mine, golden rays between the towers shining down on me, every step a rhythm in this urban symphony. Morning lights shining through the gray, New York hustle keeps me wide awake, typing dreams on paper, windows full of blue, chasing every moment, something bold and new. Elevators open, voices fill the floor, screens are glowing brighter, always asking more. Still I find the beauty in the city sound. Every beat rim rim, golden rays between the towers shining down on me. Every step a rhythm in this urban symphony. Morning lights shining through the gray. New York hustle keeps me wide awake. Typing dreams on paper, windows full of blue. Chasing every moment, something bold and new. Morning lights. New York hustle. Typing dreams on paper, windows full of blue. Chasing every moment, something bold and new. Morning lights. New York hustle. Sunlight in my room, tapped into the beat. Coffee's getting colder, but my heart feels sweet. Typing little stories, rhythm in my mind. Every note around me keeps the day alive. Snap my fingers, let it flow, dancing while the hours go. No, city breeze moving through the day. Groove inside, won't drift away. Working with a smile, humming to the tune. Life feels lighter in the city afternoon. Shadows on the wall, colors start to play. Every tiny moment turns the rush away. Catch me in the rhythm, swaying side to side. Even when I'm busy, I can feel the vibe. Snap my fingers, let it flow, dancing while the hours go. City breeze moving through the day. Groove inside, won't drift away. Working with a smile, humming to the tune. Life feels lighter in the city afternoon. Oh, I don't need to run too fast. With a beat like this, I know it'll last. City breeze moving through the day. Groove inside, won't drift away. Working with a smile, humming to the tune. Life feels brighter in the city afternoon.
around me keeps the day alive. Snap my fingers, let it flow. Dancing while the hours go. City breeze, moving through the day. Groove inside, won't drift away. Working with a smile, humming to the tune. Life feels lighter in the city afternoon. Shadows on the wall, colors start to play. Every tiny moment turns the rush away. Catch me in the rhythm, swaying side to side. Even when I'm busy, I can feel the vibe. Snap my fingers, let it flow. Dancing while the hours go. City breeze, moving through the day. Groove inside, won't drift away. Working with a smile, humming to the tune. Life feels lighter in the city afternoon. Oh, I don't need to run too fast. With a beat like this, I know it'll last. City breeze, moving through the day. Groove inside, won't drift away. Working with a smile, humming to the tune. Life feels brighter in the city afternoon.
Morning rush, I'm on the train. Skyscrapers calling out my name. Coffee steam, the streets align. Every step is keeping time. Oh, windows shining, city glow. I can feel the movement flow. City groove, I'm wide awake. New York rhythms, mine to take. Working hard, the skyline near. Every sound is crystal clear. Elevators, voices rise. Dreams are moving through the skies. Typing beats, the hours run. Still the city feels like fun. Windows shining, city glow. I can feel the movement flow. City groove, I'm wide awake. New York rhythms, mine to take. Working hard, the skyline near. Every sound is crystal clear. between the lines. Crowds are moving, chasing time. Coffee cups and open doors. City rhythm I adore. Every corner starts to sing. I can hear the morning ring. Downtown flow, I walk with ease. Urban sound beneath the breeze. Working smooth, the hours stay. New York lights will guide my day. Typing beats on silver keys. Dreams are written endlessly. Voices rise, the skyline calls. Every step I hear it all. Every corner starts to sing. I can hear the morning ring. Downtown flow, I walk with ease. Urban sound beneath the breeze. Working smooth, the hours stay. New York lights will guide my day. Trumpet echoes through the street. Every heartbeat finds the beat. Downtown flow, I walk with ease. Urban sound beneath the breeze. Working smooth, the hours stay. New York lights will guide my day. Sunlight on the avenue. Headlines fading into view. Crowds are moving, doors align. Every moment feels in time. Brushing softly, streets away. Every step is mine to take. City steps, I walk along, finding calm where beats belong. Morning glow, the skyline near. Urban rhythm keeps me clear. Coffee in a paper cup. Elevators rising up. Typing dreams in steady flow. Every hour starts to grow. Rushing softly, streets away. Every step is mine to take. City steps, I walk along, steps and steady hands, building dreams with quiet plans. In the hum of every sound, I can feel the pace downtown. Office lights, the city shines, rhythm flows between the lines, working smooth, the hours glide, urban calm I keep inside. Elevator, subtle tone, typing beats that feel my own. Every step is clear, refined. In this place, my thoughts align. In the hum of every sound, I can feel the pace downtown. Office lights, the city shines, rhythm flows between the lines, working smooth, the hours glide, urban calm I keep inside. Moving steady, never rushed, in the quiet dreams are brushed. Office lights, the city shines, rhythm flows between the lines, working smooth, the hours glide, urban calm I keep inside. Walking fast on city ground, skyscrapers are all around. Coffee steam the streets away, every step's the move I take. Heartbeat matches every sound. I can feel the rush downtown. Downtown rhythm, morning flow. New York energy, let it go. Working steady, chasing time. City lights, always mine. Elevators, voices blend, busy hours never end. Typing dreams beneath the sky, windows glow, the day flies by. Heartbeat matches every sound. I can feel the rush downtown. Downtown rhythm, morning flow. New York energy, let it go. Working steady, chasing time. City lights, between the lines. Crowds are moving, chasing time. Coffee cups and open doors. City rhythm I adore. Every corner starts to sing. I can hear the morning ring. The downtown flow, I walk with ease. Urban sound beneath the breeze. Working smooth, the hours stay. New York lights will guide my day. Typing beats on silver keys. Dreams are written endlessly. Voices rise, the skyline calls. Every step I hear it all. Every corner starts to sing. I can hear the morning ring. Downtown flow, I walk with ease. Urban sound beneath the breeze. Working smooth, the hours stay. New York lights will guide my day. Trumpet goes through the street. Every heartbeat finds the beat. Downtown flow, I walk with ease. Urban sound beneath the breeze. Working smooth, the hours stay. New York lights will guide my day. Subway doors and moving feet. Rhythm echoes down the street. Coffee cups and open skies. Every moment feels alive. In the rush I find my way. City guides me through the day. Morning light, the skyline glows. Working calm, the rhythm flows. Every step a beat so true. City mornings carry through. Shadows stretch on silver walls. Typing words as duty calls. Crowds are running, I just glide. Keeping balance deep inside. In the rush I find my way. City guides me through the day. Morning lights, the skyline glows.
Morning lights, the skyline glows. Working calm, the rhythm flows. Every step a beat so true. City mornings carry through.
Walking fast on city ground. Skyscrapers are all around. Coffee stain, the streets awake. Every step's the move I take. Heartbeat matches every sound. I can feel the rush downtown. A downtown rhythm, morning flow, New York energy, let it go. Working steady, chasing time. City lights are always mine. Elevators, voices blend. Busy hours never end. Typing dreams beneath the sky. Windows glow, the day flies by. Heartbeat matches every sound. I can feel the rush downtown. Downtown rhythm, morning flow, New York energy, let it go. Working steady, chasing time. City lights are always mine. Rushing forward, never slow. This is where I start to grow. And downtown rhythm, morning flow, New York energy, let it go. Working steady, chasing time. City lights are always mine. Downtown rhythm, morning flow, New York energy, let it go. Working steady, chasing time. City lights are always mine. Headphones on, I start the day. Skylines moving as I make my way. Coffee warm, the streets are wide. Steps in rhythm, city by my side. Every light is shining clear. I can feel the moment here. Morning light, I'm on my way. New left home. Never lost, I'm not alone. Morning ride, I'm on my way. New York rhythm starts to play. Moving calm but feeling strong. This is where I still belong. Morning ride, I'm on my way. New York rhythm starts to play. Moving calm but feeling strong. This is where I still belong. This is where I still belong. This is where I still belong. Morning rush, the streets are loud. Moving steady through the crowd. Coffee warm the city wide. Rhythm keeps me in my stride. Every signal, every light leads me forward. Feels so right. Skyline beat, I'm on my way. Urban groove begins the day. Working calm, the hours flow. In this city, I still grow. I still grow. Elevators, voices blend. Silver towers never end. Typing lines in gentle tone. Finding space that feels my own. Every signal, every light leads me forward. Feels so right. Skyline beat, I'm on my way. Urban groove begins the day. Working calm, the hours flow. In this city, I still grow. I still grow. Trumpets echo, footsteps fall. I can hear the city call. Skyline beat, I'm on my way. Urban groove begins the day. Working calm, the hours flow. In this city, I still grow. I still grow. Subway doors and moving feet. Rhythm echoes down the street. Coffee cups and